Everyone wants perfect skin, but many of us make mistakes that can actually harm our skin in the long run. In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 most common skincare mistakes that people make and what you can do to avoid them. Mistake number 1, over-moisturizing. Many people think that if a little bit of moisturizer is good, then more must be better. But this is not the case. Applying too much moisturizer can actually clog your pores and cause acne. It's important to find the right balance for your skin type. Mistake number 2, over-exfoliating. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells, but over-exfoliating can cause irritation and redness. Stick to exfoliating once or twice a week, and use a gentle exfoliant. Mistake number 3, not washing your face before bed. It's important to clean your face before you go to sleep to remove makeup, dirt, and oils that have accumulated throughout the day. Neglecting to do so can lead to breakouts and clogged pores. Mistake number 4, not wearing sunscreen. Sun damage is one of the leading causes of premature aging, and sunscreen is your best defense. Aim for a sunscreen with at least SPF 30, and remember to reapply every 2 hours. Mistake number 5, popping pimples. It can be tempting to pop a pimple, but it can actually make the problem worse. Popping a pimple can cause the bacteria to spread, leading to more breakouts. Instead, try using a spot treatment or seeing a dermatologist. Remember, taking care of your skin is a process, and it's important to be patient and consistent. Avoid these common skincare mistakes, and you'll be on your way to achieving the perfect skin you've always wanted.